we are here in our penmanship class today, and we are learning to write U, oo, oo. Let's say it again, everybody.
U,
All right, watch the wall.
Watch the wall.
I say it, you say it.
I said, you said.
Short uphill stroke.
Short uphill stroke.
Good job. Connector stroke.
Connector stroke.
Short uphill stroke.
Short uphill stroke.
Connector stroke.
Connector stroke.
Let's say it.
U, O.
Yeah, again. You don't say it this time. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like somebody punched you in the stomach. Ooh. Let's do it again. Ooh. Again. Ooh. Good. Now you're going to get to write it. Get your pencil out. Get your paper in your hand. Well, you would if you could. I'm going to hand it out to you right now. Not that paper. Not that paper. I'm going to bring the one around that you're going to write on, Coley. Everybody else, get your pencils ready to write. Get your pencil ready to write. Let's say it. U, oo, ooh, ooh, ooh. Get ready. Nice squirrel fingers. Short uphill stroke, connector stroke. Short uphill stroke, connector stroke. Say it. U, oo, ooh. Oh, one more time. Don't squunch it. Don't squeeze it. Here we go. Say it with me. Short uphill stroke, connector stroke. I need to hear you. Short uphill stroke, connector stroke. Now we get to say it. U, oo, ooh. All right. Good.